about GSP.
Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Gaffney. Moving east 40 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Yes, you activated.
Include Gaffney, Blacksburg, Grover.
Perfect activation. There she is.
Draytonville, Kings Creek, Kings Mountain, and Crowder's Mountain State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time
For the following counties: North Carolina,
South Carolina.
okay. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on my light. Alright? Boom! I'm sitting there, right? Just chilling. And GSP decides to bowl an SVR for Cleveland, yeah, and Cherokee, South Carolina.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
That's a gnarly storm, too.
Locations impacted include Spartanburg.
It's the only one around. Ain't nothing. Got this little boy right there pushing through. It's upstate. Set off all my radios. Anyway, if you notice something, my alert works ain't there. It's up there. I accidentally fried my Max Digital.
Please report damage and wind.
What an SVR.